Hey, welcome back. Have something a little different today. Doing some snacks, and I'm reviewing the new Mystery Mountain Dew flavor. I know I'm probably a little late to the party. And crushed Sour Patch Kids berries. It would not be Halloween month without candy. I hit up mainly the Dollar Tree. But before I get too much into it, I want to do a quick. See how this is. It's the limited edition Mountain Dew Voo Dew 2020 edition. Last year I know was what was it? Candy corn. And let's see. Ooh, smells fruity. If I were to guess, Skittles? More of a Skittles flavor? It's good, though. I mean, I had a heck of a time trying to find it. I think my wife finally found it for me. Let's see. Sour Patch Kids soda, huh? What is it? It's berry. Looks like a blue raspberry. I actually kind of like this one. It's not really sour to me. It's good though. All right, have those on hand just in case. I got these zombie Skittles, but I'm saving that for the very last since it says most taste delicious, some taste like rotten zombie. So I really don't want to ruin the rest of this here. Let's see. Pick this up at the Dollar Tree. Pucker powder. Sour Packs. I don't know. Dollar Tree gets some strange stuff in sometimes. Okay, that's it. Let's see what flavors we're working with here. Sour blue raspberry, cherry, green apple. I just did blue raspberry, so let's do cherry. I don't feel like having two blue raspberry things in a row. Oh, how nice. They put a little tear notch. That was so nice of them. Excuse me. Not that sour. It's it tastes like crushed Smarties. Like those little Smartie candies. Is the green apple one the same? I'm gonna try the green apple. Maybe the cherry's just not that sour. Crunch up Smarties. So if you like crunch up Smarties, there you go. Interesting. Okay. I got Warheads. Ooze Juice? It's another Dollar Tree find. Sour chewy candy filled with ooze. Oh, Comes in mango, strawberry, green apple, black cherry, watermelon, and blue raspberry. So on these, I'm not getting into the ingredients with these like I am the hot sauces, because I don't flat out don't. It would be like a way too long of a video. So wanted to do something other than just spicy snacks. Now I wish. Okay, I guess they got a color code on the back. This looks like a mango. Yeah, let's go for a mango. Let's go for a mango. It's really good. I'm not getting much sourness. I don't know, maybe some of these warheads they started maybe to market to people that didn't like sour stuff that much. It's not. I don't think it's sour at all. I think it's kind of sweet. It's good though. Let me see. What do we got here? This says blue raspberry super sour spray candy. Maybe this will get me. Let's see. I just know I don't want to get too confident, because then I'm going to hit one that's just going to hit me hard. Oh, come on now. There. Stupid tape. Blue raspberry, huh? I guess you just spray it in your mouth. That is bizarre. It has some sourness to it, but it's weird. It hits you like almost an aerosol. I don't know if you could hear it on the mic, but that's weird. Okay. It's kind of fun to do though. I mean, it wake me up. This is the Warheads Cubes. Sour, sweet, and fruity. I'll be hitting probably some more candy at some point. Their flavors? What's the flavors? Oh wait, orange, watermelon, blue raspberry, green apple, strawberry, black cherry. I think watermelon looks pink. Oh, I see a pink. These are really good. I'm not. Warheads tuned their stuff down. Because I remember when I was like, I guess because I was a little kid, but Warheads would friggin' wreck me. Yeah, what's this? Crybaby. Okay, so it looks like there's a time thing. How long to keep it in my mouth? Wimp is 10 seconds, Geek is 20 seconds, Killer is 30 seconds, Radical is 40 seconds, and the Crybaby Hall of Fame. Should I set a timer? First off, do they have flavors here, or is it just like guess? Oh, okay, lemon, cherry, berry, orange, and apple. Hopefully they say it on the... Okay, it has a time thing, so let me, sorry, getting my timer set. Might as well, right? Is this visible on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta know, too, because when I start doing time challenges, I need to make sure the dang thing can be seen on camera.
You can Wrap it up in front of the toxic waste. Oh, I can't see it there.
There we go. Nice gum texture. Okay, it's starting to... Now it's sweet.
Just hit 40.
40? Yeah, I guess 40 seconds is as long as it lasts, but... Definitely was... Definitely starting... Beginning. Sorry. I don't want to like throw it on the ground, so... It's good though. I mean, it's double bubble. No wonder it's good. What else do I got? Oh yeah, super sour double drops. Super sour, huh? Green apple and watermelon. Warning: choking hazard. Small parts. Not for children under 3 years of age. Consuming a large quantity within a brief period may cause temporary irritation to sensitive tongues. Avoid contact with eyes. Duh. Yeah, I got some dry eyes. Let me just squirt some warheads in them while I'm at it. I want to know who is the person who squeezed this in their eyes so that they had to put that stupid warning on there. I say just let them do it. Whatever. You're the warning. Don't put warheads in your eyeball. There you go, look. Okay. Oh, it's legit. Okay. I feel it in my nose. I think I squirted too hard. It's in my nose. I squirted too hard. I feel it in my eye too. I guess I got it in my eye. I guess I'm the idiot that gets that label put on there. Just calling me out there, warheads. The hell did get in my eye? Toxic waste, huh? I have never in my life. I've had a few of these things before, but not since I was a little kid, like the Crybabies candy. So, you know, if I haven't had it since I was like this big, I don't remember how bad it is. This I have never had in my life. Yeah, I gotta. That's really sticking in there. I have no control of my ridiculous faces, okay? It is what it is. It's my face and I can't do nothing about it, so. These ones I was like, I couldn't find at the Dollar Tree or anywhere around, so I happened to see them on Amazon. I go, well, I've never had that before. Do it. It's a cool little barrel. Mystery flavor. As long as it's not sour zombie flesh, I'm happy. Get in this thing. I'm probably gonna What the? Oh. So that happened. This is the mystery flavor, huh? I might just do the mystery flavor and see what happens. What's this? Watermelon, blue raspberry, apple. They put 2 mystery flavors in. Guys. Okay, lemon, cherry. Okay, I think that pretty much covers it. Maybe I should do 2. Maybe I should do a flavor and then for the heck of it do a mystery flavor, huh? Okay, what does it say here? So apparently 60 seconds, 15, how long can I keep it in my mouth? 15 seconds, I'm a total wuss. 30 seconds, I'm a crybaby. 45 seconds, toxic wannabe. 60 seconds, full toxy head, huh? Toxy head? Not for children under age 3. Yeah. Caution, consuming more than 1 piece at a time may cause irritation to mouth. Sensitive individuals should not consume this product. Okay. Let's do the mystery flavor. Let me get my timer set back up. Really, what is my issue? It's really sticking in there. Ooh. There's absolutely no smell to it. I don't know why I'm sniffing it. Hold on a second. Reset. Apologies. Okay, so was it 60 seconds is the goal? Okay, come on now. Is that visible? Okay.
Halfway there.
It kind of hurts. It burnt my tongue. Now it's tasting good.
Your screen went blank. One minute.
Well, once you get past that sour coating, it's actually freaking delicious. That first, like, 20 seconds, though, it's so sweet in the middle. What the heck?
What flavor did you taste?
I taste green apple. Honestly. That's what it tastes like to me. I only got one thing left, don't I? So what's the flavors that aren't rotten flesh? Mummified melon, crying black cherry, boogeyman blackberry. I mean, those sound really good. Petrifying citrus, blood orange berry. So let's hope that it doesn't taste as bad as rotten flesh, or you may see my first projectile on the camera. I'll probably puke on the cat accidentally, since she keeps coming over here. She wants my chair. Beware! Zombie Skittles. Most taste delicious, some taste like rotten zombie. Okay then. That's a weird marketing thing. Is this... You give this to your kid when they ask for candy to make them stop asking for candy? Is that what's going on here? I mean, they look like Skittles. Hopefully my first one isn't rotten zombie flesh. Okay, so this is supposed to be citrus punch. This is roulette. That's good. I'm just waiting. It's coming. If I don't get any in this pack, then I have to open another one. What's this one? Blackberry. I hope. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that's just... That's the most rancid. It legit tasted like how rotten meat smells. That is, oh, it's still there. Oh, I drooled on my phone. I'm gonna have to brush my teeth. Mouth boy, good God. I'm speechless. That is the most horrific thing I have ever put in my mouth. I have no words. That is... I'm almost tempted to pull out something else to get that flavor out. Should I get something else? One more thing?
You're at 20, almost 24 minutes. So.
We'll cut it. I'll save it for another. Well, Thank you, Skittles. Thank you not very much. If you want your friends to hate you or your children to never want candy again, get this. It's delicious until you hate that rotten flesh. Should I try another one? No. Do it. Should I try another blue one to see if it redeems itself? If it's another zombie flesh, I swear. I'm twitchy now. That was. Okay, that was good. Okay, it redeemed itself. Man, so show up at a friend's house and just hide munchies in your pocket and dump them in the bowl and just wait for the reactions. It'll be great. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.